Hello friends, my name is Anmol and I am an international student. Belong to the city Gwalior which is located in the northern part of India. I have completed my bachelor's from IHM Gwalior back in 2014. As far as my professional background is concerned, I worked with McDonald's as an assistant restaurant manager. I arrived Prince George on 1st of January 2024 to join College of New Caledonia to pursue post-diploma in tourism and hotel management. There are a number of reasons why I have chosen Prince George and CNC for my international education, which you will get to know in this video. So stay with the video, guys. Good morning, guys. So it's 7 in the morning and it's a lovely weather. I believe I have seen in the weather forecast today. So let me show you how I usually start my day to get ready for the college and for my work as well. Since I love to focus on garnishing and the placement of the plate, so this is how I usually prepare my breakfast. So I don't know whether you're liking it or not, but I love to eat and place the things like this on the plate. And today I don't have classes, so I'm planning to go out with one of my best mates, Gurpayal. He is also studying with me in the College of New Caledonia and pursuing the same course. So we are planning to go somewhere out. So let's do the breakfast. After taking bath, I usually read Bhagavad Gita. I'm a firm believer of spirituality. So I usually read 2 to 3 pages on a daily basis. So as of now, I'm reading the chapter called Karma Yoga, which means after devoting everything to Lord Krishna, we can get success in our day-to-day life. So this is what I'm reading, and it's a very sacred book. So guys, I'm ready to go with my friend Gurpayal, and he's outside, so let's meet Gurpayal. Lady Park, which is near the downtown, and let's see what is that. Finally reached to our destination, which is the Ledley Tenney Memorial Park. I'm not sure that I'm pronouncing it correctly because it is so difficult. So let's enjoy and let's see what is there inside the park. So guys, one thing I would love to say and talk about Prince George is it is really beautiful, and especially for those who is a nature lover. So you can see the river is going around. It's a Fraser River. And it's so beautiful, so lovely. So guys, we are here to talk to Jasmine. She's a native Canadian.
Well, I'm from Mexico, but I was born in Canada.
Oh, you're born in Canada. So let's take her point of view about Prince George. So what is your point of view? Like, what do you like about Prince George?
What I like about Prince George is like I feel like you can like have a family here and you can like grow your family, which I think is really nice. And we have like a small community, which is really nice too, because like we all support each other and stuff.
And what about the what is your point of view about new immigrants? Because there is a perception nowadays about Canada that the new immigrants, especially the international students who are coming Canada for studies, the native people and the Canadian people are not liking them. So what is your point of view? So is it true or false?
Well, I'm not sure. I think it's fine. Like, I don't know. I feel like the other people from different cultures coming to Canada is fine, because Canada has like so many cultures. I feel like it's kind of better because it shows like how diverse we are.
Oh.
And stuff.
Oh, so this is the point of view of Canadians. So guys, let's come for studies in Prince George. Thank you, Jasmine.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
So guys, like now we are leaving from the park and we are heading to home. We really had good time. So did you have good time?
Yeah, we do a lot of fun.
So now we both are tired and now we are leaving to home. So see you in the next.
Hello guys, it's morning 9:30 a.m. I have my writing and communication class. So this is CNC where I am pursuing post diploma in tourism and hotel management in Prince George. So let's get inside and pay for the parking, and I will show you what is the culture and facilities offered by the college. So in the college we have a big library. The college also offers a computer lab where students can work on their assignments. At CNC, not only teachers but the library staff is so friendly. Here is Sabina, the librarian, who helps students in getting the required sources.
Why? Just I don't know, like there is some connection, maybe some vibes. Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
So at CNC, we learn through activities which are usually fun. So after classes, I work as a part-time cook, and this is how I'm managing both educational and professional life. This is my life at CNC in Prince George. I hope you all have enjoyed my vlog. See you in the next video, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the notification. See you.